1954 Packard convertible. Price: $24,750. Location: Ohio. Step into the golden age of American automobiles with this stunning 1954 Packard convertible. Finished in an elegant black exterior and paired with a bold red interior, this classic car radiates timeless sophistication. Its design reflects an era when vehicles were crafted not just for transportation, but as symbols of prestige, style, and innovation. Under the hood lies a smooth and reliable inline 8-cylinder engine, delivering a driving experience that is both powerful and refined. Equipped with a Carter 4-barrel carburetor and a column-shift automatic transmission, this Packard offers a unique blend of vintage engineering and effortless cruising. It's the kind of car that invites you to slow down and truly enjoy the journey. The exterior details are nothing short of iconic. From the gleaming chrome bumpers and trim to the signature cormorant hood ornament, every inch of this vehicle tells a story of classic American luxury. The rear fender skirts, wire wheels, and wide white-wall tires complete its unmistakable 1950s presence, ensuring it stands out wherever it goes. Inside, the cabin offers a nostalgic yet comfortable environment. The bench seating, dual-spoke steering wheel with a horn ring, and classic dashboard layout transport you back in time. One of the most remarkable features is the inclusion of power windows, an advanced and rare option for its era, adding both convenience and collector value to this already desirable vehicle. What makes this Packard even more special is its history. Included with the car are the original owner's manual and a factory invoice dated September 9, 1954. These documents provide a rare glimpse into its past, enhancing its authenticity and appeal for collectors who value provenance as much as performance. While the car may require some mechanical attention, its potential is undeniable. For enthusiasts and collectors alike, this is more than just a car. It's an opportunity to restore and preserve a true piece of automotive history. With the right care, this 1954 Packard convertible can once again shine as a symbol of elegance and craftsmanship. Don't miss your chance to own a classic that captures the spirit of an unforgettable era. This Packard isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement, a story, and a legacy waiting to be continued.